top loser following its release with regard to its business update for FY25, and it appears it's fallen a little bit short in comparison to what the street was expecting and in comparison to their guidance. Upasana joins us to break it down for us. Upasana.
Well, the defense major BEL continues to remain in focus this week also after the company reported its FY25 provisional numbers. Now, overall, if we see, the revenue guidance of the company for FY25 was 15% and companies reported a revenue growth of 16%. So, company beats its revenue growth, but there's a miss in terms of the company's order inflow guidance of 25,000 crores. Now, if we look at the FY25 revenue, it stands at 23,000 crore with an uptick of 16% on a YoY basis, as mentioned earlier. And if we look at the Q4 revenue, it comes at 8,462 crore with just a single-digit growth of 3% on a YoY basis. Now, Q4 revenue is a miss according to Nuvama estimates, and it has reported a low single-digit number. As compared to the 9-month FY25, the growth was as high as 25%. Now, if we look at the FY25 export sales, they saw an uptick of 14% on a YoY basis and stood at $106 million. And FY25 order inflow stood at 18,720, which is just 75% of the overall full-year order inflow guidance that the company has given. Order book, it stands at 71,650 crore with a degrowth of 6% on a YoY basis, and company's export order book has also seen a sharp degrowth of 12% on a YoY basis. Now, Nuvama says it prefers BEL over HAL, and it does not see any earnings guidance, any earning cuts, or downgrades on BEL on the back of this. Morgan Stanley has also given an overweight call on this and has given a target price of 364 per share. So all in all, that's the reason the stock remains in focus today. Let's see what happens ahead of this.
Absolutely, Upasana. We'll keep an eye out on this one. Second consecutive day of fall. This came in yesterday just before market close. And in that, yesterday and today's trading session, it's down 7%. But let's move on and talk about now the